Hey guys, Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Today we are here with our brand new 2021 rig ready half-ton build, so let's take a peek. Under the hood of this truck it has the 5.7 liter HEMI. Up at the front it has your color matching bumper with your built-in park sensors as well as your fog lights. This one has your blacked out grille, and we'll check out the side. Along the side of this truck it does have the 6-inch BDS lift with Fox shocks. This one has 20-inch fuel rims with 35-inch tires. This one has the Bushwacker fender flares that are painted to match, the Bulletproof mud flaps. It also has the flip-up tow mirrors as well as proximity entry on either side, but we'll check out the back of this truck. You have your color matching bumper with your built-in park sensors. This one has your hitch receiver, 4 and 7 pin wiring. It also has your dual exhaust, your blacked out badging, your backup camera built right into the tailgate handle. It is the soft open tailgate. This one also has your spray and bed liner as well as bed utility group. And then it also comes with the deployable bed step, so it's nice and easy to get up into these high trucks. On the inside of this truck you have the really nice leather heated and cooled seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You have tons of storage in this truck in your center console area. This piece slides around, making it customizable. You have your wireless charger down here for your cell phone. You also have a 115 volt plug-in in the bottom here, as well as your USB ports, as well as your auxiliary port. This one has tons of storage on the passenger side in your 2 glove boxes. This one also has your 12-inch screen, so you can access your navigation on it, or you can go to your backup camera and so much more, but that's just a couple things quick. This one also has your dual climate control for either side. You have your front park sensors, your rear park sensors that you can turn off if you're hauling a trailer or getting close to something. You have your tow haul mode as well as your traction control. You also have your built-in trailer brake controller. This one has the 8-speed transmission, push button start. This one has your cruise control settings on the right-hand side of your steering wheel, as well as your Bluetooth settings on the left-hand side, and then your stereo settings are on the back. This one comes with a full panoramic sunroof, and we'll check out the back. This truck is a crew cab, so you have tons of space in the back seat for your passengers. You have tons of storage in the back of your front seats. You have a couple cup holders that flip down in your armrest there. And then these seats are heated as well. And then they fold up, giving you tons of storage under here. If you need just a little bit more, you can flip this out. That gives you a little bit extra. And then there is storage underneath your all-weather floor mats as well. If you're interested in this truck and want to see 30+ pictures and pricing, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.